Good afternoon. A very rainy good afternoon. Just had some lunch. Went to Mr. Mike's for some lunch because, well, gotta get my Mr. Mike's visit in there. Apparently Friday is Mr. Mike's day, so I could go again Friday. Late Friday afternoon. Guess where we're going. Remember this path? I'm sure you do. I decided to take this way home. After getting a couple of Halloween pictures. 2 weeks from today is Halloween. See what kind of weather we get for Halloween. It's been known to snow. Of course, every year we don't want it to snow, and it snows. It snows, and the winters get real flipping cold, which is just rude. Of course, me talking about it is rude. You look at the leaves on the ground now. We're gonna go this way. Oh, we're definitely gonna go this way. We're doing a fair bit of hand switching from time to time on my way home, which isn't too far away. Ooh, hey. See, got this one the other few nights ago. They're not home because obviously they're not blown up. See what else I can find. I'm not sure I'm going to be seeing a hell of a lot. I laugh because some chocolate is now getting rained on and washed away. Of course, I like to see these kids try to do some hard work when it's full of snow and nobody knows how to use a shovel or doesn't bother using a shovel. It's ridiculous. Think about a good half to 2/3 of the city has sidewalks. And I swear half to 2/3 of those who have sidewalks don't ever put a shovel on it because they're too lazy to do it or they don't know how. My guess is they're too damn lazy to do it. So we just came home over there. Follow the river trail. And where's the... Oh. I don't want to film people because why? Before let's say Connor and Melissa's is home. Should I pop in for a visit? I should by text Alyssa and ask. But I just can't come right over. Guess what? Almost home. And Yeah, I still got 5 minutes out of that. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna have a story a little later. Yes, I'm gonna have a story a little later, so I'm gonna end it right now because I'm about to go inside. So in the meantime, and in between time, stay tuned. Okay, I think.